So in this problem, we have a geometric progression whose fourth term is 1 over 27 and the seventh term is 1 over 729. And using this information, we need to find the sum to n terms. So let's begin. So here we are going to represent the first term by the letter a in lowercase and the common ratio by the letter r in lowercase as well. Now we know that the nth term of a geometric progression is given by a times r raised to the power of n minus 1. So we know this. So using this, the fourth term, this will be equals to, which is already given as 1 over 27. So our fourth term will be ar cubed equals to 1 over 27. So let's label this as equation number 1. And it's also given here that the seventh term has a value of 1 over 729. So that means ar raised to the power of 6, that will be equals to 1 over 729. So let this be equation number 2. Now we will divide equation number 1 by equation number 2. We have ar cubed divided by ar raised to the power of 6, which will be equals to 729 divided by 27. So this will be equals to 1 over r cubed equals to, so 27 times 27, that's 729. So we have 27, which is actually 3 cubed. So taking the positive cube root, we have 1 over r equals to 3, or simply r equals to 1 over 3. Now using equation 1 or 2, we have the common ratio, we can obtain the value of our first term. So let's using equation number 1. So from equation number 1, we have a times 1 r cube. So r cube will be 1 over 3 whole cube equals to 1 over 27. So we have a multiplied to, so 3 cube, that's 27, 1 over 27. So this is equals to 1 over 27, which gives us the first term equals to 1. So now that we have our first term, we can use this to obtain the sum to nth term of the given GP. So we know that the sum to n terms of a given geometric progression is given by Sn equals to a times 1 minus r raised to the power of n divided by 1 minus r whenever the value of the common ratio r is less than 1. So in our case, our r value, we found that the r value is 1 over 3, which is less than 1. Now substituting these values here, so our first term is 1, so we have 1 minus 1 over 3 whole raised to the power of n divided by 1 minus 1 over 3. So 1 minus 1/3, that's 2/3, which goes to the numerator to becomes 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 multiplied to 1 minus 1 over 3 raised to the power of n. So this is going to be the sum to n terms.